Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel with another amazing Scratch program. Today in this video, I will be telling you how you can draw a square in Scratch. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to add an extension. So you can go to Add Extension button at the left bottom of your application, and then you will find this pen extension that you can insert. Once you do it, you can see that there are a lot of pen blocks appearing here. Now let's start the program. I will keep the sprite cat to make a square. Now let's talk about the instructions or the blocks that you need. The first thing is you have to go to events and use this green flag block. Let me make it a little bigger. Next is you have to go to pen that you just added and pen down instruction block, join them together. The next one is you have to go and use a repeat block in the controls, but you must be repeating it only 4 times since a square has 4 sides. So we are done with this repeat block with 4 iterations or 4 loops. Okay, now go to motion. Then we have move 10 steps. Instead of 10 steps, I'm gonna make this 10 to 200 so the square will look a little bigger. You can change this number according to the size of the square that you want. I'm setting it to 200. Next is the last one is your turn by 90 degrees. So we will just use this one, and then instead of 15 you must turn your sprite. After 200 steps it must turn to 90 degrees in order to make another side of the square. So that's it. This is the simple program that consists of only 5 instructions that will be helping you to make a square on the screen. So I'm going to play it. First I will make the screen big, and then I will use this green flag. Once you click on it, then you can see that how it works. Great, it is very quick, but if you want to see slowly, so you can go to control again, and there is wait 1 second block. So once you add it in every loop, you will see that the square becomes very slowly. So we can stop it here. We can go make a big screen, and then we can run the program again. This is how the cat can make a program, but first you have to erase all because the square was already there, so we can't see the changes. In order to erase it, go to pen, and this erase all must be put at the second here. After pen down, you can add erase all, or you can add erase all at the starting of your program once you add this when green flag clicked. So now let's quickly see the changes. Make a big screen. Now play the green flag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. This is how we can make a square by using simple blocks. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more fun videos. Bye-bye.